name is Kadek Nicelia Pramesti. My student ID number is 052 and I'm from First Math Education. Okay, now we will settle the PICA problem on Unit 11 about Internet Relay Chat. Mark from Sydney, Australia, and Hans from Berlin, Germany often communicate with each other. Okay, using chat on the internet, they have to log on to the internet at the same time to be able to chat. Okay, to find a suitable time to chat, Mark looked up a chart of whole times and found the following. Okay, question number 1. At 7 p.m. in Sydney, what time is it in Berlin? To be able to answer that, first we have to find out the time difference between Berlin and Sydney. Now look in Berlin. It's 1 a.m. whereas in Sydney it's 10 a.m. o'clock. So the time difference between Berlin and Sydney is 5 hours. Because we know the time difference is 5 hours and Sydney time is ahead of Berlin time. So when Sydney is 7 p.m. then in Berlin we have to count backwards counterclockwise as much as 5 hours. And yes, we get the time in Berlin showing 10 a.m. Now question number 2. Mark and Hans are not able to chat between 9 a.m. and 4:30 p.m. their local time, as they have to go to school also from 11 p.m. till 7 a.m. their local time. They won't be able to chat because they will be sleeping. When will be a good time for Mark and Hans to chat? Write the local times in the table. Okay, to be able to answer that, now look in Sydney at 9 a.m. and 4:30 p.m. We know that Hans can chat Mark at 0 a.m. until 7:30 a.m. Berlin time. Because what? Because Mark is in school. Whereas in Sydney at 11 p.m. and 7 a.m. we know that Hans can chat Mark between 2 p.m. until 10 p.m. Berlin time because Mark is sleeping. Now, in Berlin at 9 a.m. and 4:30 p.m. we know that Mark can chat Hans at 6 p.m. until 1:30 a.m. Sydney time because Hans is in school, right? Whereas in Berlin at 11 p.m. and 7 a.m. we know that Mark can chat Hans at 8 a.m. until 4 p.m. Sydney time because Hans is sleeping. Okay, now look at the table. Time availability analysis in Sydney and Berlin. Look at the time can have chat and free time, okay? We can see that at 7 a.m. until 8 a.m. in Sydney, it is the same time at 10 p.m. until 11 a.m. in Berlin. Because the time difference in Sydney is 9 hours ahead, therefore 7 a.m. until 8 a.m. in Sydney and 10 p.m. until 11 p.m. in Berlin is a good time for Mark and Hans to chat. And we can see that 4:30 p.m. until 6 p.m. in Sydney, it is the same time at 7:30 a.m. until 9 a.m. in Berlin. Because the time difference in Sydney is 5 5 hours ahead, therefore 4:30 p.m. until 6 p.m. in Sydney and 7:30 a.m. until 9 a.m. in Berlin. It's a good time for Mark and Hans to chat. Okay, we get the table now. When a good time for Mark and Hans to chat. Look at the table. In Sydney, 7 a.m. until 8 a.m. In Berlin, 10 p.m. until 11 p.m. And in Sydney, 4:30 p.m. until 6 p.m. In Berlin, 7:30 a.m. until 9 a.m. Okay, that's the answer. You understand, right? Okay, thank you everybody who's watching this video. I really hope you can understand about my explanation about PICA problem. And bye bye! See you in the next video!